Making food fun doesn't have to be hard or expensive. Today, we're upgrading the classic fun food, hot dogs, by adding cheese and wrapping the entire thing in a flaky crescent roll for a weeknight picnic. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Here, we cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home. Now, if that sounds good to you, please consider subscribing. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my hot dog crescent wraps, the ingredients I'll be using are nonstick cooking spray, an 8-pack of regular size hot dogs, medium cheddar cheese, and 2 cans of crescent rolls. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and prep your baking sheet with nonstick cooking spray. Cut slices of cheese that are about 1/4 inch thick and divide into 3 sticks. I use 1½ sticks per dog. Split your hot dogs lengthwise, but not all the way through. You're just making a slot for your cheese. Carefully unroll your crescent dough and separate into rectangles. It'll take 1 rectangle per hot dog. Then pinch the seam and press it down to seal as best you can and to make it a little longer than your hot dog. Place a hot dog in the center of the dough and add 1½ cheese sticks in the split. Fold up the 2 short ends of the dough first and then roll the rest of the dough around the hot dog, taking care to squeeze, press, and pinch any seams that try to open up. Place on your baking pan and repeat with your remaining hot dogs. For those who don't like cheese, place the hot dog in the center of the dough and wrap the same way as the cheese-stuffed dogs. Stick a toothpick in the end so that you'll know which ones have no cheese. Bake at 375 degrees until golden brown, about 20 minutes. While your wraps are baking, it's time to get your table ready. Today I'm going for that fun summertime picnic look with a red check tablecloth, paper plates with red and yellow holders, little cups for condiments, fresh fruit, fresh lemonade, and crispy potato chips. It doesn't take a lot to set a fun and inviting table. These look really nice, beautiful. I had checked them at 20 minutes and I just wanted them a little more crisp, so the full cooking time on these ended up being 22 minutes. Let's take them over here to cool a little bit. And let me take this one right here and show you, oops, hello, that is hot, and show you what they look like inside. See that cheese come oozing out. It's starting to drip. Yeah, these are perfect. These are ready to serve. This is a great fast meal for any night of the week with a really high fun factor. I mean, who doesn't love a picnic at home on a Monday night or in the dead of winter or whenever? It's just one more way that family is built at your dinner table, and if you feed them, they will come.